Hello guys, welcome to Nigerian Food Channel. It's your boy Franklin. Welcome to another fantastic episode. So I'm going to take you through my ingredient very quickly. I've got two tilapia, fish here, cleaned, okay. And here I've got two Scotch bonnets, got one big tomato, I've got two onions. Here I've got some parsley, and I've got my red bell pepper. I've got 3 Maggi cubes. I've got my vegetable oil, some salt, and in this bag here some crushed chili. So right now I am going to go straight to mixing my ingredients, which I would use to marinate this lovely tilapia fish, and then we'll crack on from there. So in here I've got a bit of vegetable oil in here, so I am going to add my Maggi cubes, okay. I am going to a bit of salt, okay, crushed chili, as much as you like, pretty much. Going to make sure the fish is properly covered with your marinade. Look at that bad boy. Just look at that bad boy. Now, just to let you know, what I did was I cut a couple of knife slits into the body of the fish on both sides to allow heat to penetrate and equally the marinade, okay. You also make sure you go into the gut of the fish, which is here, okay. Try to marinate this as much as you can so that the seasoning and everything can penetrate into also inside of the fish. Onions, tomatoes, some of my Scotch bonnets, okay. Stuff a couple of them inside the fish. I'm gonna take some of my parsley now, right? Also throw that across. Throw the parsley across. Let's see if we can zoom in a bit more. Right. And then I'll take some of the parsley and also get some of those to go in. A couple of more of this. Yeah. Throw in a bit more of my seasoning. And what I would do is, I've got my oven, as we speak, got my oven at 250 degrees Celsius. So this is gonna go in nicely wrapped. It will go into the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. Here you go, guys. My steamed fish served with fried plantain. Just look at this bad boy. This looks absolutely fantastic. Look at that. Look at the lovely juice dripping. If you haven't, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit that little bell button. Follow me on Instagram at The Nigerian Food Channel. And yeah, feel free to look through my videos if you like what I'm about, if this is your first time on the channel. And yeah, That's it pretty much, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love. Bye.